I'm Karina with Math Mentors, and today I'm going to be helping you with interest formulas. Now, interest formulas can be applied in the real world if you're trying to buy a car or buy a house and you're trying to figure out that interest. So let's get right into it. There's two types of interest formulas. There is compound interest formula and the continuous interest formula. Today I'll only be talking about compound interest. So the formula for compound interest is A equals P times 1 plus R over N to the power of N times T. Now this seems confusing now because of all the variables and letters and stuff, but I'll be explaining what each of those means so you don't get confused. A stands for the total amount. P is the starting amount. R is the interest rate, and it's usually found in percentages. And N is the number of times per year. For example, quarterly means 4 times per year. And T is the time of loan. So now let's apply this to an equation. This equation says, how much interest will you earn on $1,000 of savings compounded quarterly for 3 years at 0.24%? So first, let's figure out all the variables. Let's find P. So remember, P is the starting amount. And here it says we start on $1,000, so we will label that as P. R is the interest rate, and in this equation, interest rates are usually percentages, so it will be 0.24%. And this will be converted into decimal. N is the number of times per year, and here it says compounded quarterly, which means 4 times per year. And T is the time of loan, and here it says for 3 years. Now let's write this out. A equals 1,000 times 1 plus R, which is 0.24%. But remember, we are going to convert that into decimals, and you always convert into decimals. So it'll be 0.024 over N, which is 4, to the power of N times T, and N is 4, and T is 3. And if you put all that in the calculator, you get A equals $1,007.22. I hope that helps you with compound interest and interest formulas, and you can continue learning. If you want to connect and continue learning, you can go to mathmentors.us